Here's the formula and instructions for ranging with a mil-dot reticle. First, at the distance of your target, identify an object of known size, something you're familiar with, such as a steel target you shot at in the past, or a fence post that you know from being around them that's approximately 3 feet high. Now write down that object's height or width in yards and tenths of a yard. Then place your mil-dot reticle on that same object and measure it in mils. If this includes a fraction of a mil, note it as tenths of a mil. Now write down your known object's width or height in yards and multiply it by 1,000. Underneath this, write down the object's measurement in mils. Simply multiply the object's known height or width in yards times 1,000, and then divide this amount by its measurement in mils. This yields the distance to the object in yards. Let's try an example. At the same distance as your target, you see a pole that you know is about 9 feet high, which means it's 3 yards high. Place the center of a mil-dot on the pole's top or bottom and measure its height very carefully. In this example, you can see that it's exactly 8 mils high. That's all you need. Multiply 3 yards times 1,000, which equals 3,000. Now divide that by the pole's height in mils, which was 8 mils. The result, 375, is the distance to that pole in yards. Incidentally, this formula works for meters too, but you must measure in meters to yield meters and measure in yards to yield yards. Try this a few times and you'll find it's really very simple.